Part 2, Shlok number 36. Satya Pratisthayam Kriya Falashvraya Tvam. By the establishment of truthfulness, the yogi gets the power of attaining for himself and others the fruits of work without the works. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. When this power of truth will be established with you, then even in dream you will never tell an untruth. You will be true in thought, word, and deed. Whatever you say will be truth. You may say to a man, "Be blessed," and that man will be blessed. If a man is diseased and you say to him, "Be thou cured," he will be cured immediately. Shlok number 37. Aste pratisthayam sarvaratno pasthanam. By the establishment of non-stealing, all wealth comes to the yogi. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. The more you fly from nature, the more she follows you, and if you do not care for her at all, she becomes your slave. Shlok number 38. Brahmacharya pratisthayam viryalabha. By the establishment of continence, energy is gained. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. The chaste brain has tremendous energy and gigantic willpower. Without chastity, there can be no spiritual strength. Continence gives wonderful control over mankind. The spiritual leaders of man have been very continent, and this is what gave them power. Therefore, the yogi must be continent. Part 2, Shlok number 39. Aparigrah stharai janma katham tas sambodaha. When he fixed in non-receiving, he gets the memory of past life. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. When a man doesn't receive presents, he doesn't become beholden to others, but remains independent and free. His mind becomes pure. With every gift, he is likely to receive the evils of the giver. If he doesn't receive, the mind is purified, and the first power it gets is memory of past life. Then alone the yogi becomes perfectly fixed in his ideal. He sees that he has been coming and going many times, so he becomes determined that this time he will be free, that he will no more come and go and be the slave of nature. Shlok number 40. Shochat swang jugupsa parair sansargaha. Internal and external cleanliness being established, there arise digest for one's own body and non-intercourse with others. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga by Swami Vivekananda. When there is real purification of the body, external and internal, there arises neglect of the body, and the idea of keeping it nice vanishes. A face with others called most beautiful will appear to the yogi as merely animal, if there is not intelligence behind it. But the world calls a very common face he regards as heavenly. If the spirit shines behind it, this thirst after body is the great bane of human life. So the first sign of the establishment of purity is that you do not care to think you are a body. It is only when purity comes that we get rid of the body idea.